Are you looking for an unlimited cloud-based storage to back up your data? Congratulations, you are watching the right video. Keep watching. Like all applications, you need to create an account for Telegram. If you've got iOS device, you can download the Telegram app from App Store. If you've got an Android device, you can install it from Google Play. You can also install the Telegram desktop version on your Windows computer or on a Mac device. It's also working on Linux system as well. But my favorite method is web version. It's just a URL web.telegram.org. It's pretty handy. You can get access to it at any time from any device. Alright, I assume you've got Telegram account now and you have already installed the Telegram app on your device. I'm going to show you how you can back up your data. Okay, on your device, open up your favorite browser. Click on the address bar and type in web.telegram.org. Hit the enter key. In the login page, it will ask you to set or to choose your country name. I will select New Zealand. Here you go. And you need to type in your phone number. Hit the enter key at the top, and if the number is correct, click on OK button. It's generating the keys and it will send you a verification code to your mobile number. So it's one time only code, and my code is 15691. It's one time only code, so I'm not worried about if you guys watching the code. Okay, you need to log into mobile app and click on settings, then choose saved messages, and then you can come to the web version, and in the I don't want to get the notification, so I will close this. At the top left in the search bar, type in saved messages. Here you go, and then you will see already saved some stuff. I have already stored and backed up some of my data. I will show you first how I can find them in the saved messages. I am using the hashtag to search and find them quite quickly. So at the top right corner on the search button, click, and in here click, and I will search for storage. This is the key I've already defined for my files and my folders. These are some of the files that around 20 days ago I saved them. As you can see here, the size of each file is less than 1.5 gigabyte. You can save thousands of files. There is no limitation in terms of the number of the files that you can save, but only limitation is the size of each file must be less than 1.5 gigabyte. I'm going to show you guys how you can upload a file from your local machine to the Telegram cloud-based saved messages. Go to your local machine, find the folder that you would like to upload. Personally, I renamed the file to hashtag storage. You can name it anything else, but you need to use hashtag if you would like to search in the future. You don't want to download thousands of files for the specific file that you're looking for. Once you name it hashtag something, you can compress the file and just drag and drop it to the saved messages. It's uploading the file. I will pause the video until the upload be completed. Alright, the file has been uploaded completely, and I can search it here by hashtag 2019. It will of course show it here, and this is my file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button and select all to receive my other videos.